Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So before we start, the risk warning: your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here you see rejection from Bollinger Band. Yes, I place put option at this level because of the rejection of this candle from Bollinger. So I know definitely market must break this level. That's why I place my trade put option, even though we are in strong uptrend. But here you can see strong level. You see, very strong level. So I know definitely sellers must enter at this level. So that's why I place my trade put option at this level. Let's see. We have 7 seconds. You see, this is winning trade. So let's analyze another market. Here is consolidation area, but market is trying to reverse. So market is trying to reverse from this level. So I will wait for market to break this level, then I will take my trade. Because of the consolidation area, so here you see, yes, here is the strong level. This is a strong level. So if market close at this level, I'll place my trade call option. market is trying to reverse from this level, so I'm waiting. And this candle is too strong, but here is strong area as well. So this candle is strong, so you have 50-50 chance, because this is the strong area and this candle is reversal pattern and the major trend is uptrend, strong uptrend. So you have to wait at this level, because buyers may enter at this level and sellers may enter as well, because you see rejection. You see, so if I see no bias, I will place my trade. Yes, yes, rejection. I place my trade put option because there is no bias at this level. So I know definitely this candle must close below my entry point, and I see rejection 2 times here. And you see this candle bias supposed to enter at this level, but no bias entry. So I know definitely sellers must enter. And this is the reversal pattern, and this is the red candle, show that market will go more down. So that's why after rejection I place my trade put option, so I know it will close below my entry point. Even though market is doing some panic, I know it must close below my entry point. You see, red candle. So now we have 1, 2, 3 black crown. So let's see what will happen, and I will still wait, because here this is the bias area, but no strong bias. Sellers may enter because of the rejection from this middle Bollinger Band, sorry, 1 deviation. So I will wait to see what will happen, because the market is not so nice. You see, this is doji, this is doji. So I will still wait. Market is trying to break this level. This is doji indecision, so I will wait for the next candle. Market is trying to reverse, but this area is too tricky. So you see, because we are in strong uptrend and here is strong level, and maybe we will see another doji here. And here is strong level. This level is strong, but it's too fast. Market is too fast. So if the next candle is red candle, I will place my trade put option, because I know definitely market will break this level now, because how many You see multiple touches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 touches. So market will break this level immediately if the next candle is red candle but no new low, and this weak candle, this weak candle, yes, so I will wait for the next candle again, because this candle didn't give me any signal to trade. You see the market is not so nice, so in this situation it can give you bad entry points. Yes, here a strong level, and this candle is rejection from a round number yes, sorry, it's 2 past. If I get higher entry point, I will place my trade put option higher. Market is not nice. Yes, I place my trade put option because of this candle, strong candle and strong sellers entry. So I know definitely this candle must be strong candle. You see, strong sellers entry. This candle must close at this level at least, or this, or here. We have 9 seconds. You see another winning trade. So the market is not so nice. The way market is moving, the movement of the market is not nice. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like it, share, subscribe my channel and comment. So let me explain why I took all these 3 trades in one pair. First of all, here I place my trade put option at this level. Let me explain. Anytime I have told you, you see market movement is not so nice. This is the way market is moving, but here is very strong area. When market reach this level, I'm coming, let me see the previous history. So what you can observe here, you see after strong uptrend, market holds at this level, you see. So when market reaches this level, you should expect market to hold again. You see, this is consolidation area, so market must consolidate again. Then the reason why I took this trade here, you see this candle has rejected from this Bollinger Band. See rejection, strong rejection, and it closed at this level here, exactly at this level. And this candle small gap up open at exactly on the level, so I know definitely this candle must be red candle. That's why I place my trade put option at this level. So this is the first trade, and the second trade is the same pair. I waited to get good opportunity. Anytime waiting at the key point of success in this market. Anytime try to wait. If you have patience for waiting, you will succeed. but if you are hurry, you will never succeed in this market. Waiting is the key to be success in this market. Anytime try to wait and get good opportunity. You see, after I took this trade, I wait for 1 2 3 4 5 minutes to get another opportunity. Anytime try to wait, so after I waited for 5 minutes, this is the reversal pattern, and you can see 1 2 3 white soldiers. After strong sellers entry, you should expect at least 2 candles, but these candles showed that no sell, no buyers entry at this level, no strong buyers entry, and this is the reversal pattern. So I know at least because of this reversal pattern, markets will create at least 3 candles. If you see even star like this, and you see the next candle is red candle, so you should expect another. Is difficult, is hardly to see this evening star, and the next candle is red candle to market to reverse. It will create another candle, at least 1 candle. So that's why I get good entry points. When I get rejection from this level, then I place my trade put option. Rejection from this white Bollinger Band, I immediately place my trade. So that's why you see I got it in the money. Then the next trade here, you see this is the last trade. The last trade again, I wait. Anytime I told you you have to wait, I wait. After this trade, I took this trade, I wait for 1 2 3 4 minutes again. Then after this strong candle break out of this level, anytime you see strong candle break out strong level, you should expect a retracement. Market will not go more up, especially if you see too much weeks rejections. So after breakout and this candle close exactly at this Bollinger, you see, so I wanted to enter at this level, but because of the past movement, market is not nice and is consolidating. So I see my opportunity here. I try to enter at this level, and I know because of this strong candle, you should expect another strong candle here. See weak candle, weak candle. You see strong candle, the opposite of the candle should be strong again. So that's why, especially in ranging market, so that's why I place my trade here at this level, because I know this candle must be strong candle. You see. So if you have any question, please, suggestion, drop it in the comment section. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. I will say thank you. Bye bye.